Hello everyone, this side Rahul Mukherjee. Welcome to RR Victory Solutions. So today we will discuss how to analyze the markets. So to analyze the markets, first of all, you should know where you will get the right data, because data is the main point on which you will observe the market. So you will get the data on NSE's or BSE's website, that is National Stock Exchange or Bombay Stock Exchange. So the first point, which is very important, very important, that many investors and traders overlook, is the change in the open interest. They only see the levels of the open interest and they do not see the change in the open interest. So you should analyze the change in the open interest. Either it has decreased or increased. So first you have to see the change in the open interest. Now the second point is the delivery percentage. Delivery percentage you will also get on the NSE's website. You will get each and every delivery percentage for each and every stock. So normally delivery percentage should be above 60% if you are a long-term investor. But if you want to go for short-term trading or intraday trading, so delivery percent can be less. It can be 10%, 20%. So this refers to speculation. If the delivery percentage is less, so that means speculation is happening and volatility is high and traders are interested for intraday trading. So you can select the stocks for intraday trading in which delivery percentage is low, and you can go for long-term investing in which the delivery percentage is high. And again, I am talking about the average. You have to take the average of 10 to 14 days of delivery percentage. Now, the third point is the news speculation. There are various type of news from which the stock market gets affected. So you should see the source of the news. The news should come from a genuine source. So you should get the news from a good news reporter, or you should get a premium market research reports which are available in the RR Victory Solutions website. You can go with that. So the source should be genuine, then only you can get the news. So news part is also very important. Now the fourth point which I would like to discuss is the buying of foreign institutional investors and domestic institutional investors. So if the FIIs are buying, so the market will move upwards, and if they are selling, the market will move downwards. That is a normal case, and the same is applicable for the domestic institutional investors. So you can get these data from the mutual funds websites also, because there are various mutual funds who buy and sell in various stocks. So you can get the data from the NSE's and BSE's website, because data is very important and data should be genuine. The source should be genuine. So this was the fourth point which I told you. Now the fifth point is the volatility. So you have to analyze the volatility in the stocks. That also you can get in the NSE's website. If the volatility is above 5 to 10%, then you can take a stock for intraday trading. And if the volatility is low, that means low number of people are interested in that particular stock. So you can go for fundamental analysis for long-term investing. So now I will now tell you the main important part, that these all data points which you need to analyze is for short-term or long-term. If you are going for short-term investing, if you are going for swing trading, if you are going for BTST, if you are going for intraday, so you should get the technical analysis done. So in technical analysis, the most important part is the moving averages, because moving averages give the very good idea about the price movement of the market. The fluctuations in a particular stock price happens because of the fluctuations in the moving average. So if you are going for short-term investing and trading, you can use the moving averages like 10 and 20. If you are going for long-term investing, you can go for 50 and 100, 100 and 200. So the crossover is analyzed. If there is a if the lower moving average is crossing the above moving average, so that is a bullish signal, and the vice versa is the bearish signal. So that was the part of the technical analysis. But if you are going for long-term investing, then I would suggest you to go for fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis is very important for a particular company because it tells you about the sales, revenues, profitability of a particular company. So if you want to go for long-term investing and trading, so you should focus on fundamental analysis. There are various ratios which you need to analyze to do the fundamental analysis part. So there are various websites from which you can get the data for fundamental analysis and technical analysis, which I will share in my further videos, and I will tell you about each and every point. So these were the main points which you need to analyze for the market sentiment video. So I hope this video was informative and you got to learn some good points about the stock market. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please visit my website and join us through our Telegram channel also, and you can get in touch with us from our website also. So till then, take care. Thank you. Jai Hind.